In today's EE-Way Whiteboard, we discuss assembly services provided by Ohmite, including electromechanical assemblies, hybrid thick film circuits, and PCB assembly. Ohmite's decades of experience in building electromechanical assemblies has led to a broad set of capabilities and extensive expertise. Ohmite's own power resistor and rheostat applications involve assembling multiple components in series or parallel, combined with fans and heat sinks to achieve power ratings exceeding 5,000 watts. The recent acquisition of Arcol adds to the product base available in these assemblies, particularly Arcol's robust aluminum-housed resistors. Arcol is located in the UK and improves Ohmite's worldwide reach. Ohmite's 75,000 square foot facility includes metal fabrication, epoxy molding, connector fabrication, wire winding, and welding capabilities to manufacture and assemble nearly any product. Ohmite also provides custom thick film solutions, including double-sided, multi-layer, and via capabilities in a QS 9000 approved facility. Substrates include ceramic, FR4, insulated metal alloys, aluminum nitride, and plastic, with sizes up to 6 inches by 5 inches. A variety of conductors and dielectric materials are available with line width and spacing from 4 to 8 mils, and sheet resistance from 0.1 to 1000 mega ohms per square inch, and tolerance as low as 0.25%. Ohmite offers automated laser trimming for tight tolerance thick film parts. For high energy thick film applications, Ohmite provides scan-cut laser trimming to provide better pulse handling capabilities. Ohmite's PCB assembly service supports high-mix, low to mid-volume assembly of PCBs with SMD, through-hole, or mixed components in an ISO 9001-2008 approved facility. Ohmite can offer inventory management services for all subcomponents. Beyond assembly, Ohmite provides design engineering support to help the customer transition from prototype to production volumes, as well as cost reduction through component sourcing and designing for manufacturability. For more information on Ohmite's extensive assembly service portfolio, visit ohmite.com.